Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Good notes turn fleeting ideas into usable memory and actionable plans. Start by asking why you want each note and what you will do with it. Notes capture facts, questions, and connections so you avoid repeating work. Decide on a purpose-driven format before you write, and pick one consistent tool. A purpose-driven note takes 1 to 2 minutes to decide before writing. This upfront choice saves time and reduces future friction while studying or working. Use Cornell for lectures with a cue column and summary at the bottom. For meetings, use bullets for actions and assign owners and due dates. Use numbered lists for procedures and step sequences to preserve order. Tag notes with 2 to 3 keywords and a date for fast retrieval. When possible, capture a brief source like speaker name or page number in parentheses. Keep one active notebook or folder per topic to reduce context switching. Review notes within 24 hours, then after 7 days and again after 30 days. Use the 3-stage review to move information from short-term memory into durable memory. Convert notes into tests or flashcards to turn passive notes into active recall practice. After practicing, mark items that need follow-up or deeper research. Prune or merge notes every month to keep the system lean and useful. Finally, schedule brief weekly sessions to outline priorities and extract next actions from your notes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.